Hi, I'm Sumi Chi and I'm from South Korea, and my major is International Studies, and this is my second semester in UW Richland, and I will transfer to UW Medicine after sophomore year. And studying in UW Richland has been much better than I expected because I thought I would have to face lots of problems because my English wasn't that good, and I didn't know about America a lot, but over here I've got a lot of help and support from the campus faculties and my professors, my advisors, and my friends. And also being a student of the UW system, I have a huge advantage of applying another campus because of the transfer guarantee program, which not only helps me a lot in transferring to another school, but also relieve a lot of studying pressure on me. Yeah, thank you.